financial freedom.
Just another dream or something within your reach.
You can still achieve financial independence.
At that point, you don't have to work anymore.
Sometime in the future, sooner than later.
What?
Is financial independence more than just a catchy phrase thrown around by self-help gurus?
Could it really be the key to living life on your own terms?
And if so, why isn't everyone already there? Today we're digging deep to uncover the truth about financial independence.
What does it really mean?
Why is it so critical in today's chaotic economy? We'll challenge some of the popular myths that might be holding you back.
When's the best time to start your journey?
Is it too late if you're already in your 40s or 50s? And most importantly, what exact steps can you take to get closer to that elusive financial freedom?
And here's the kicker.
Stick around until the end because we've got a blueprint that will help you create a personalized financial independence plan.
Bingo.
What exactly is financial independence and why does it matter?
Financial independence means having enough wealth to live comfortably without needing to work.
It's about freedom.
Freedom from debt, from living paycheck to paycheck, and from financial stress. It's when your investments and savings cover your living expenses.
But let's be real. This isn't about lounging on the beach all day. It's about choices.
Financial independence gives you the power to choose how you spend your time. It's about enjoying life without the constant worry about money, no matter what life throws at you.
Sounds good, right?
What about you? Do you have a definition of financial independence that resonates with you?
Share it in the comments below. We'd love to hear that.
But the path to financial independence is often clouded by misconceptions. So let's clear the air and debunk some of those common myths that might be holding you back. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that financial independence is only for the rich or the ultra-frugal. Those folks who either have millions stashed away or live on noodles just to save every penny.
It's so not true.
Financial independence, it's achievable for anyone with the right plan, the right mindset, and a bit of discipline. Another myth is the idea that you have to make extreme sacrifices, like never enjoying life today, to achieve financial freedom. You've probably heard the stories of people cutting out that daily coffee, all in the name of saving for the future.
But it's not about that. It's only about balance.
It's about making smart choices that allow you to enjoy life now while still building a secure financial future. Here's another misconception. People think you need to start saving for retirement in your 20s, or you've missed the boat.
Guess what? That's another myth.
It's never too late to start. Yes, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. But don't let the fear of being too late stop you from taking action.
And lastly, hit them with a truth bomb.
Not every financial independence myth is entirely false. One hard reality that's often downplayed is that the journey to financial independence can be a long, tough road. People might tell you that with the right mindset and discipline, it's easy. But the truth is, building wealth and achieving financial independence requires time and patience. The journey demands persistence, resilience, and often some significant sacrifices along the way.
The grind is real. So, if someone says it's hard, they're not wrong. But the rewards are worth it.
If you've enjoyed it so far, take a second to give us a thumbs up.
Nope.
No, seriously. It will help us a lot in growing this channel.
Now that we've tackled the myths, let's shift gears and talk about timing. Then, we'll dive into 5 practical steps you can take to kickstart your journey.
Knowing when to start is one thing, but knowing how to start, there's where the real magic happens. Okay, when's the best time to start? The short answer, it's quite obvious. The sooner, the better.
Like planting a tree, the earlier you start, the more time you give your money to grow through the magic of compound interest, that snowball effect of your money earning more money over time. But let's face it, not everyone starts fresh out of school with a perfectly laid out plan. Life happens. Maybe you spent your 20s and 30s figuring things out or dealing with unexpected expenses. If you're starting later, don't worry. Financial independence isn't reserved for early birds alone. The key is to start where you are, with what you have, and make consistent progress.
Even in your 40s, 50s or beyond, there are strategies to help you build wealth and secure your future. But more on that later.
Many internet gurus would have you believe that anyone can achieve financial independence quickly and retire early, but the reality is different. It's not a one-size-fits-all journey. The path to financial independence varies with age, timing, and strategies as you move through life. When they're young, most people are still dealing with student loans, mortgages, and family expenses. Estimates suggest that only 5 to 10% achieve financial independence by the end of their 30s.
Well, it's possible, but rare. Keep that in mind so you just don't chase impossible dreams, okay?
Moving into your 40s, the picture brightens. Around 15 to 20% of people in this age group may reach financial independence thanks to paying down debts and solidifying their financial plans. By the time you hit your 50s, the odds of being financially independent increase significantly. Approximately 30 to 40% have paid off major debts and are seriously preparing for retirement.
After that, the numbers rise even more. About 50 to 60% of people in their 60s consider themselves financially independent.
Shifting focus from accumulation to preservation as retirement looms right around the corner. And finally, in your 70s, financial independence often equals retirement security, with around 70 to 80% achieving this milestone. Remember, it's not about how fast you start, but about how consistently you move forward. Now that we've set the stage and busted some myths, let's dive into the 5 actionable steps to kickstart your journey.
This isn't just about dreaming big, it's also about doing the work. Step 1. Understand your current financial situation.
Before you can map out where you're going, you need to know where you stand. Take a good hard look at your financial situation, your income, expenses, debts, and savings. This lets you set realistic goals.
Step 2. Budget with a purpose.
Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about directing your money toward what truly matters. Start by creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Prioritize saving and investing while trimming unnecessary expenses. Enjoy life now while securing your future.
Step 3. Crush high-interest debt.
If you have high-interest debt, like credit card balances or personal loans, make paying these off a top priority. High-interest debt is a financial anchor dragging you down. Consider using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche methods to knock out those balances efficiently. If you don't know what those methods are, you can find a brief explanation in the description below. And if you want more details, leave us a comment and we'll try to tackle them in depth in a future episode.
Step 4. Start investing.
Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting a business, aim to create multiple income streams. Start small and diversify. Compound interest will do the heavy lifting over time.
Step 5. Always educate yourself.
The financial world changes every day. Never stop educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and money management. Read books, follow credible blogs, listen to podcasts. As life evolves, adjust your strategy.
Now, let's take a moment to talk about what if you're starting later in life.
If you're in your 40s or 50s, the clock may be ticking faster, but with the right strategy, financial independence is still within reach.
First, focus on maximizing your income.
Negotiate raises, take on side hustles, or switch careers if it means a significant earnings boost. At this point, every extra dollar counts.
Second, start saving aggressively.
This may involve temporary sacrifices and lifestyle adjustments. It's crucial to save a larger portion of your income. And don't forget, build a solid emergency fund to protect you against unexpected setbacks.
Next, invest wisely.
This becomes critical when time is of the essence. Consider low-risk, high-return investments and diversify your portfolio to protect against market volatility. Focus on generating a steady income stream from your investments to ensure your money lasts as long as you do.
Lastly, reevaluate your retirement expectations.
Retirement, after all, isn't about age. It's about financial readiness. That being said, I think we've covered the essentials of financial independence.
So let's wrap it up with the bonus tip. But first, a quick reminder.
If you enjoyed this so far, give us the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat.
Okay, now, back to our bonus tip, the blueprint.
Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all template. It's a flexible 5-step framework.
First, define your goals.
What does it mean to you? Is it early retirement, travel the world, or just peace of mind? Be ambitious but realistic.
Next, break your goals into more manageable milestones.
Think of it as your financial roadmap. What do you need to achieve this year? What about in 5 years? These milestones will keep you on track and also provide a sense of accomplishment as you tick each one off.
Third, choose the right investment strategies.
Younger? Consider more aggressive investments. Close to retirement? Go conservative. Diversify to minimize risk and maximize returns.
Fourth, always review and adjust your plan.
Life changes, markets fluctuate, and goals evolve. Set a time to sit down and assess your progress. If something isn't working, don't hesitate to pivot.
Fifth, just bring it all together.
By setting clear goals, breaking them into steps, choosing the right investments, and staying adaptable, you're not just dreaming of financial freedom, you're making it happen. Thanks for sticking with us through this deep dive into financial independence. As a little reward, here's a spicy tip to turn up the heat.
Start making more money right now. But how, you gonna ask?
Don't worry, we'll dive into that in future episodes. Until then, keep chasing that financial freedom.
Insiderama signing out.
Oh, that was long.
Stop whining already.
Where's my coffee? Okay. Did you turn the mic off?
Nope, still on, guys.
Well, turn it off. I'm getting out of here. Bye.